How to hide banking apps on iPhone. Hey everyone, in this video I show you how to hide banking apps on your iPhone to keep them private and secure. Let's dive in. The easiest way to hide an app is by moving into the app library. So long press the app icon for your banking app, tap on remove app and then choose remove from home screen. This doesn't delete the app, it just removes it from the home screen, keeping it in your app library. To access it later, swipe left until you reach the library and use the search bar to find your app. The second method is to use a folder. So you can create a folder by dragging the app onto another app, name the folder something generic like utilities or extras, then move it to a back page of your home screen. This keeps the app out of sight but still accessible when needed. The third method is to use screen time to restrict app access. So for added privacy, you can go to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, and you can turn on Content and Privacy Restrictions and select Allowed Apps. Toggle off any apps you want hidden. This method works mainly for Apple's own apps. However, you can also set app limits if you'd like to restrict access based on time to these types of applications. If you're lending your phone to someone and want to limit app access, you have guided access. So we go to Settings, Accessibility, Guided Access and turn it on. Open the app you want the user to stay in, then triple click the side button to enable guided access, which prevents users from leaving that app. And that's it. There are some easy ways to hide your banking apps on your iPhone, so if this helps, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.